Hey warriors! In this video, we're going to compare two AI video generation models, Seedance 1.0 and Google's Veo 3 Fast. We'll be using three prompts taken directly from the official demo videos on the Seedance website, and then we'll recreate those prompts using the Veo 3 Fast model to see how both perform side by side. Prompt 1. Multiple shots. A detective enters a dimly lit room. He examines the clues on the table, picks up an object from the surface, and the camera turns to him, capturing a thoughtful expression. Let's start with Seedance. Seedance has done an incredibly good job here. The character looks hyper-realistic. His facial features and expressions are very well captured. One subtle detail I noticed is the reflection of the detective on a picture frame as he walks past it. That's an impressive level of realism. One minor detail here is that the door appears to be closing slightly behind him. That's a nice touch of realism. Overall, the animation and detail in the character are spot on. Now, let's look at Veo 3 Fast version. The lighting is dramatic, coming in from a window, and there are flame effects that add atmosphere. However, one issue I noticed is with scene continuity. Initially, the table is empty, but in the next shot, it suddenly has a pen and some papers. On the upside, Veo 3 did a great job with the detective's outfit, giving him a long overcoat that adds character. But overall, I'm giving this round to Seedance, mainly because of the attention to detail and scene consistency. Prompt 2. Race cars roar past on a track in front of the pyramids, kicking up yellow sand under their tires. Aerial drone shot overlooking the entire desert track, capturing dynamic beauty. First, let's look at Veo 3 Fast. The visuals here are impressive. The desert looks cinematic. However, there are a few inconsistencies. If you look closely, the cars start on one track, but then they suddenly appear on a different path. There's also one car driving in the opposite direction, which doesn't quite make sense. The desert also feels a little empty, just the track and pyramids, without much surrounding detail. Now let's check out Seedance. Seedance not only included the pyramids, but also added extra environmental details, like palm trees and tires lined up along the racetrack. That makes the whole scene feel more alive and realistic. The video feels almost like real footage. Overall, Seedance delivered a more visually complete and coherent scene. So again, this point goes to Seedance. Prompt 3. On the street, the camera follows a group of people riding horses as they walk forward. Let's begin with Seedance. This one looks stunning. The movement of the horses is incredibly smooth and realistic. Their legs move naturally. There are no visual glitches or extra limbs. Facial features of the riders are nicely done, and all the horses, about 10 of 15, are animated very well. Now, over to Veo 3 Fast. This version shows 3 riders on horseback. The equipment and leashes on the horses are detailed, and the environment is beautifully rendered. The movements are smooth, the background is well rendered, and the audio is great. So, in this case, I'm giving the point to Veo 3 Fast. If you enjoyed this comparison, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more AI video analysis. Thanks for watching.